Now this question is very simple question and you should not be taking more than 45 seconds to 1 minute to do this question. Okay. Now the question says that this quadratic equation has two integer roots. So both the roots are integer and they have given the roots as 2a and 5a. Okay. Then which of the following is the possible value of 2b square plus c? Now I'll use the relation sum of the roots and product of the roots. So sum of the roots, that is 2a plus 5a is equal to 7a, and from the quadratic equation it will be minus b. Okay, so 7a is equal to minus b, and product of the roots, that is 2a multiplied by 5a, that is 10a square, is equal to c. Okay, so these are the two relations or the value of b and c we have got. Now I can substitute the value of b and c in the required expression, which is 2b square plus c. Now twice of b square, the value of b is minus 7a whole square, plus the value of c is 10a square. Okay, so this will be 49 into 98 plus 10, 108a square. So we have to find out the possible value of 108a square. Now since 2a and 5a are the roots of this quadratic equation and they both are integers, so the value of a will be an integer. So the value of 108a square can be either 108 multiplied by 1 square, or it can be 108 multiplied by 2 square, 108 multiplied by 3 square, and so on. So these can be the possible values. Okay. Now among the options, first option 540 is basically 108 multiplied by 5. Next option is 108 multiplied by 6. Next option 108 multiplied by this is 9, and this option is not a multiple of 108. The last option is not a multiple of 108. Okay, now out of these, 5 is not a perfect square, 6 is not a perfect square, 9 is a perfect square. So 108 multiplied by 3 square will give you one of the possible values of this expression, and that is 972. So 972 is the possible value of 2b square plus c, and hence the correct answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question.